Hello everyone, I'm happy to be with you today. So today we are going to be making chicken fajita. It's a very simple meal to make. It's a balanced meal. It has your protein, your vegetables, and the carb will be the tortilla wrap that you're going to be using. So today we are going to be making chicken fajita. But please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. My family love this simple meal. So to make chicken fajita, what you need is your choice of tortilla wrap. In here I have the spinach tortilla wrap. So this you can get from any grocery store near you or any bakery store. And you need 1 pack of Fajita Seasoning. If you want to, it's optional. And you need 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow pepper, 1 green pepper, 1 medium onions, and you need your chicken breast. So that would be really good. Or if you want to do with beef or turkey, it's all your choice. But today I'm going to be using chicken breast. And the first thing you do is to slice your chicken. Okay, you can just slice it. This is good. And get it ready. So the first thing you do when you want to make your chicken fajita is to get your pan ready. I'm using my Saladmaster 11-inch skillet pan. So you put that on the stove. You decide on what kind of oil you want to use. So in here I have about 1/3 cup of oil. So you put that in to warm and you get your chicken ready. So my chicken breast is right here. So I have in here about 1/3 teaspoon of seasoning salt. And then get it all mixed together and put it inside the pan. Let that cook. So when you are using Saladmaster cookware, you cook on medium heat. So you don't need too much, so you just let that cook nicely. So I will let this cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then I will add the vegetables into it. Okay, my chicken has been cooking for about 5 minutes now. I like it, it's smelling good. Remember, I had a little bit of my 1/3 teaspoon of salt to the chicken. So now I'm going to be adding the vegetables. So the first thing I add in is the onion. So you put your onion in, you mix it together. With chicken fajita, you can't go wrong with the way in the order how you add the vegetable to it, because the crunchiness, you want your veggie to smell fresh and very crunchy. So that's where the beauty and the taste of the chicken fajita is. You don't want it too soggy or overcooked. So next I'm going to be adding the pepper. Yellow pepper. So if you look at this meal, it's all full of vegetables. So you just mix it together and you can add your seasoning to it. So in here I have 2 teaspoons of crushed chili pepper. So yeah, I'll sprinkle that on top. My family like it. And then I add the remaining salt. Mix it all. It's nice. It's looking really good. And then at this point I will add 1 pack of chicken Fajita seasoning. You can do without it, but my children loves it. So otherwise I am happy with the way it is now. I'll just add that to it. You can get this for like $1.50 at any grocery store. And if you have any other seasoning that you like, I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of garlic cloves as well. That's it. So all you need to do now is just to keep mixing it together, and it will be ready in about 3 minutes. Wow, this looks really nice and yummy. Can you see the chicken fajita? It's all good. So you get your tortilla wrap. In here I have my spinach tortilla wrap. Put it on the plate and then you start assembling. Remember, this is really great meal. It's a balanced meal. It has the protein, which is your chicken. It has the vegetable, which is your green, red and yellow pepper and onion. And your carb is the wrap. It's a good meal for people who are trying not to eat too much carbohydrate, just want a nice balanced meal. So I put it in, and then the next thing I'll do is I'll fold this, and then you come along this way, and then you just roll it, and your wrap is ready. So you can have 2, you can have 1, it all depends on you. I love it. Not too much carb, very rich and balanced meal. I wish you are here to have a taste. See you next time, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy your days. Bye for now.